Today's about bringing young people and old people together. It's part of the I Will project. Listening to young people, giving young people a voice. At the beginning of our programme, we asked Whitefield Primary School what was the issues that they wanted to explore, and they actually chose to work with the elderly generation and learn from them, learn from some of the skills that maybe they could pass on, but also teach what the young people have got to offer as well, and really break down them barriers.
We've been working with the elderly. We've been teaching them like some new songs and how to work a little bit of technology, like iPads, iPhones, tablets. It's really interesting when people are older than you because they have more experience in life.
The younger generation is far different to the old generation, so we learn new things about them and also basically new things that we could do we didn't know we could.
I'm so proud of the children from Whitefield. I know that they're really, really good children, but they have shown what an asset they are to the community, and the children really appreciated how LFC have given the children so much over the last few years. It's made a big impact to their learning and to their social conscience.
I think a lot of people stereotype young people and older people too, but I think being able to see how they can work together, how they can connect, it's incredible. It's an absolute pleasure to see how they work together.
It's always great if you see how the kids are, they're in a great mood. Of course, it's really it's a great thing to see how they really want to help and also enjoying the help they can give, and that's great.
With LFC, it's a family. It's bringing people together, and it's about reaching out to the community. So whether you're a first team player, you're a member of the foundation, you're a cook at the ground, it doesn't matter. The community is so important to everybody involved in the club. So I think absolutely, seeing Joel here, I think it was great for the young people, great for the staff, but again it just shows that the LFC family, there is one big family, we all work together to support people in our community.
These children, what they have to believe, that just because they live in an area that might have a few difficulties, that they are capable of doing absolutely anything they put their mind to, and I know that they've got great futures ahead of them.
We can actually make a difference ourselves, and it was nice to do that because it makes us believe in ourselves and also in others as well.
Anybody can do anything if you just put your mind to it.
If I see them running and they're full of confidence, and hopefully they're going to do a lot of good things.
I think young people got such passion, drive, enthusiasm. It's inspiring. It inspires me as a member of the staff on the programme, and hopefully it inspires other people too, because they're absolutely amazing young people.